Hey Kipsters, this is lesson 21 of fractions, and today we are subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So before we get started, we know that before we can add or subtract fractions, our denominators have to be the same, which means that our pieces are the same size. We can't subtract if our denominators are different, because that would be like subtracting $2 minus 1 penny and getting $1, which we know is not true. So the first thing we need to do is find the least common multiple of 4 and 13. So let's list them out. And here I have, let's start with 13. If I count by 13s, which are a little tricky, I get 13, 26, 39, and 52. Now I need to count by 4s until I find one of these numbers down here. So I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, nope, don't see anything, keep going, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and 52. So it looks like 52 is our least common multiple, so I'm going to need to change both of these fractions to find an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 52. Let's start with 3/4. So I know I'm going to multiply by a fraction equivalent to 1 whole, so the numerator and denominator are going to be the same. So 4 times what equals 52? Now, we did all that work to find our least common multiple. It'll help us, this little trick we can use to find out what we need to multiply by. So I'm just going to count how many numbers did it take to get to my circled number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I know that 4 times 13 equals 52. So I'm going to multiply by 13 over 13. 3 times 13 is 39. And now I'm good to go. So now let's find the equivalent fraction to 4/13 that has a denominator of 52. I'm going to do the same thing. 4 over 13 times some fraction equivalent to 1 equals something over 52. And now, you might be wondering, 13 times what equals 52? Guess what? We already did that hard work. 13 times 1, 13 times 2, 13 times 3, 13 times 4 equals 52. And 4 times 4 equals 16. So now I have two fractions that both have the denominator 52. So now we're good to subtract. 39 over 52 minus 16 over 52. 39 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So my answer is 23 over 52. Now, be careful because some of these denominators are a little tricky, but you can stick with it. All right, good luck.